We are going out to the combine. They've been combining probably for 2 hours, I'd say. This is probably our we've had maybe 1 or 2 days of just like an hour or two, but in the field for corn harvest. But today, they've been there 2 hours, like I said, and then I'm sure most of the evening they'll be out there. So pretty exciting. Hoping to get to operate the tractor in the grain cart as well as maybe drive the combine, which I've never done. So we will see. Alright, so Joseph has started to open up the cornfield. Father-in-law's over there dumping the grain into the grain cart now. No one's in the tractor, so hopefully we'll get a bee in there, or we'll just watch for now. But I love corn. It's like the coolest part of harvest, I think. Here we go. So basically, this is also like almost 80 acres here that we plant corn. We usually do, so we have a quarter, we usually do half soybeans, half corn. But these are our short rows. And then there's a little ravine, or I never know what to call that. It's like a little waterway that goes through the section, or whatever, the quarter. It goes down this way to the road and then this way. And so it cuts this 80 in half. So over here are long rows. So once we get these short rows done, then the back half will probably take a little longer. But there he goes. So there goes the combine, 4440 in grain cart. And here comes Joey-O. He just took a load into the elevator. I'm hoping that completes our contract, but we'll see when I talk to him. Yeah, is that Daddy? So if you look up here, this grain cart's probably full or close to it. I should climb up there and look. I don't know if we can see from the back. Ready? I can't really tell. So what Joseph is gonna do is empty the grain cart into the straight track because we need about 250 more bushels to take to the elevator. This straight truck holds between 350 and 400 bushels of corn. So I'm not sure if he'll fill it that full or if he'll just try to get close to 300. It's hard to tell, how many bushels you put in. we're back on the grain cart here. You can tell the corn isn't coming out as fast. So Joseph's probably throttling up, trying to get as much corn out of the auger as he can. And he's moving back and forth with the grain cart to kind of even the truckload out. But you can just tell in the sound, you know, it's not as loud as before because there's not as much grain coming out of the elevator into the straight truck. Because the load in the grain cart's getting smaller. Turning around in the combine. Not sure if he'll keep going or if he'll wait to see what Joseph wants. I'd assume he'd keep going. I should go walk and see if there's any ears we missed. Oh yeah, you can see that pile on the straight truck getting really big. Woohoo! Praise God. As I trip over the corn stalk. Joseph's off to the elevator again with the last load of contracted corn, hopefully. For sure, anyways. And then, can you wave? Can you wave at Grandpa? Wave! My father-in-law is taking the rest of what is in the grain cart and putting it in a bin. So we'll probably be done with the grain cart now. Or the grain truck, sorry. The grain truck. And we'll just put stuff in the bin, I assume. But Joseph told me that corn is at like $6.80, which is $4 is good corn. So, I mean, it's not doubled, but it's about $1 off it being doubled. So we might just end up selling it. Who knows? We're sitting here about to get on the combine. I think the combine, whichever one Joseph's in. It looks like they're unloading right now, so. We're driving the four-wheeler, aren't we, Pumpkin? It is a beautiful October day today. It's even a little warmer than fall. Beautiful. Ready?
Yep. You ready?
Big boss hoss. I'm ready to rumble. Drive as slow as I do? No. Well, he is a grandpa though. I'm not. You're almost done with the short rows. Or half done.
Both sides to the dog. Got died.
So I'm walking over here, gonna watch the grain get dumped into the gravity wagon. The animals are just chilling. Run, run. There it goes.